Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So if you are IP aspirants, I think all of you know that by now the choice filling process of counseling round 1 has been finished. So now the results will be declared and related to the results of various programs. There are many notifications on IP University website. So in this video I'm going to tell you all those notifications. So stay tuned, watch the video till last because about almost all the courses there are certain guidelines, certain notifications, so you need to know them. So don't skip the video in between and just watch it completely because your course will also be included in those all the notifications. So first of all, we can see this notification related to three programs, and these three programs are LLM, LLB and BTech. You can see the code numbers of your programs because later on confusion is created related to that. So LLM is 112, LLB 121 and BTech 131. So you have to check it that it is 131 program. And when is the counseling for round 1 going to start, that we have to see. First of all, you have to see that result will be declared on 11/11/2020, right? 11th November your result will be declared, and after 5 p.m. that also you have to see कि 5 बजे के बाद आपका result declare होगा. Then printing of provisional allotment offer letter of admission, that is after the declaration of the result, up to 17th of November. Means you have the time till 17th of November. Then payment of part academic fee for rupees 40,000 only through net banking, and that is also up to 17th of November. Means by 17th of November you have to take the final decision and you have to submit your fee. Now there is one more notification that is related to B.Ed. B.Ed means code number 122. What is the notification means what is the date for declaration of result of this course, that also we are going to see. So actually there are many questions related to this payment of 40,000, how much will be returned and refunded and all. So for that I'll create one more video, so you will watch that also. So now we will see that for B.Ed also result will be declared on 10th of November. So you can see the date 10th of November after 5 p.m. and then printing of provisional allotment offer letter of admission, that is also the same 17th of November up to you can say 5 p.m. right. So सॉरी अप टू 11:50 p.m. रात तक है आपके पास टाइम. देन पेमेंट ऑफ पार्ट एकेडमिक फी ऑल्सो सेम 17th November up to 11:50 p.m. Then submit willingness. Candidate can submit higher willingness, his or her willingness for subsequent round of counseling. There are two types of float and freeze. For that I have already created one detailed video, so you have to watch that video, and then you have to decide whether you have to float your seat or whether you have to freeze your seat, and that also you have to do before 17th of November up to 11:50 p.m. So they have mentioned the time also. So for B.Ed also you have to fill your choice and your subsequent willingness ki whether you want to participate in the second round or whether you want to freeze your seat in the first round only, that you have to decide very carefully. So now we will see that apart from this also there are many courses for which IP has released circulars. So you have to visit the website of IP and you have to see that they have given the dates for MA, MSc and MA English. You can check the codes 106, 111 and 113. So for first round counseling some detailed information is given there. Then MBA code number 116, then MA criminology code is 118, then MSc forensic science code number 119. For these courses also there is complete information, dates and everything, so you have to check it. Then MEd is there, code number 120, then MSc code 123, then BHMCT code number 127. So their counseling of first round is also going to start, so you have to check cutoffs are also being provided on which dates, that you have to check, because it's not possible to read out all the circulars here. Then there is cutoff round 1 of code number 141, then code number 145, then code number 162. So when the cutoffs of round 1 will be released for all these courses, that you have to check in these notices and circulars on the website of IP University, right? So then there are like MBA, and then spot round of MBA, and then cutoff of spot round of MBA. So related to spot round of MBA also, there are 3 circulars, so you have to check them in detail, and you have to visit the website of IP University. For that, it's very simple. On Google, simply you can type IP circulars, and there you will see all these things, right? So this is very important information for all you guys. So share this video with your friends also, because everybody needs it, and subscribe to the channel, and yes, don't forget to like the video. Thank you everybody.